my next video, which I'm recording right now, is I'm going to show you my Wilton, what is it called? No. 4 Vise. I'm going to do a more in-depth review of this thing. I probably will put a, what was I going to say? Brain fart. I'll probably just go around and just show you. I'm going to take it apart because everybody, from what I've been reading online, when you look at these things, a lot of the Chicago ones are before 1950 something, and apparently Wilton, I never knew the Wiltons were first originally made for the war effort. They only sold them to the U.S. government. They stole them off and almost put Wilton out of business. So, but from what I could tell, I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong here, but No. 4 Wiltons were like used between 1940 something and I don't know, was it like 1950, maybe 55, I don't know. So this one, I don't know, could have been in a machine shop somewhere. It has definitely been sitting somewhere. The handle's been totally abused, but I'll show you the up close and personal with this thing, so stay tuned. Hello. I'm not sure if you can see this in here, but all my lighting is on this side, so maybe I should just move the whole bench around. But if you look at this thing, let me put my glasses on here. There is like severe pitting on here. This thing is like, I don't know if they ran a grinder on this thing or what. I'll move all the shit out of the way here. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of surface pitting on it. It doesn't have, like, there's a chink out of here. There is, let me turn it over. Let me turn it sideways here. Yeah, let me put pause here. If you look at this side, you can see the Chicago. It's nice and right. The letters are nice and raised. I don't know what the hell that is supposed to mean. Oh wait, no, sorry. There's a different number in here. That's just USA. Stupid me. But yeah, if you look at this thing, I mean, I don't know. What was it like? Was it underwater? I don't know. You look at this thing and it's like the swivel, as far as I know, still works. Let me turn around this way. If you look at this side, there's the USA mark is still on there. It still says Wilton. Nice. It looks like it's still got like the casting. This has been somewhat abused. I'm not gonna change it. It's good here. I don't know what's up with the jaws. I'll take a flashlight. If you look at this, I think there's supposed to be screws in there. I'm not sure. There's a nice hole in there. I don't know if you can see it. The flashlight might be a little too bright. But if you look at it, it's... Oh, back to the video again. Somehow I think I turned the video off accidentally. Anyway, it's got... These things are severely pitted. The back appears to have like a groove in here. I didn't know that was standard in Wilton Vises. Again, like I said, on this side, this thing, alright, what's it getting stuck on? Everything's getting stuck here. This is horrible, and let me turn it over.